Hi guys, Keynsham Station car park. At the moment practically empty, which is great. Just had a good run with the new bright McLaren. Actually worked this time. As far as I can tell, nothing broke, so that was a good run. For comparison, we're just going to give the Maisto Extreme Beast a run. We've got the speed app on it. Okay. That's nothing like as fast as the Mercedes was. In fact, it's a bit slower than I was. Expecting it to be. When we gave this one a run in the kitchen, it was going all right. Ah, that's a bit disappointing. I thought that'd be a bit faster today. Because I changed the motor in it. Well, it says 10 miles an hour on it. Doesn't look like 10 miles an hour to me. But yeah, that's saying peak speed 10 miles an hour. But that definitely looked a bit slow. And I did freshly charge the battery before we came out. Still 10 is faster than it went the other day, and we are on the flat, so not all bad. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.